Hi, this is Andrew Welbourne with Turquoise Playa Real Estate here in Playa Paraiso, Mexico. As you can see in the background, an amazingly spacious condo that is in the north area of Playa Paraiso, about 15 minutes. The community is called Playa Paraiso. It's a beachfront gated community that has a secure entry. We're in the condominium called Acacia. It's just a 14-unit complex, very private, very quiet, that has a common pool and palapa area. And we're in an amazing penthouse. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 half bath. It's about 1,500 square feet. It comes turnkey, ready to go, fully furnished, and the price is $269,000. So we're going to give you an amazing virtual walkthrough of this place. So go ahead and take a look at the video and let me know your questions and comments, and we'll talk to you soon.